Set up have an auto repair. They cost a couple $1,000. So.
Hiccups. Are you doing a movie?
Mm-hmm.
It'll be on Facebook tonight.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, well, you know the thing that put on the mirror?
Oh,
Wow,
nice.
the good one. Oh,
but the
Linda
pressure
Blair.
doesn't work. I have to use the one on the...
Nice.
My head's round. Oh,
No.
the USB hub?
Yeah.
We gotta wipe you up. We gotta wipe you up.
See if you have two. Put the mouse in the one, and then use the other one for the camera and everything else.
Gotta wipe
okay.
you up.
Because sometimes the mouse, like you say, you have the one that has the red light on it.
Yeah.
Sometimes those are a little touchy on those, like when you use
Because it was working and it didn't work.
I
This
know.
one to this one. I'm getting good with that.
Let's give you
Just a little touch back.
a makeshift bib.
Yeah.
I don't know why they're fine for me. I'm used to them. I've been using them for years.
Yeah.
Because you have too much light on him, Ethan?
What light?
I mean, won't he be faded out?
Oh. It adjusts.
Here.
Good idea.
Don't let him chew on the leaves.
No, 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 no.
Oh, he squirted his pants this morning.
Oh, blowing
that's
bubbles.
nice.
Yeah, you don't
That's-
have, you don't have a whole lot of solids,
lovely.
So.
What?
I said he doesn't have a whole lot of solids.
No. No, I mean, he did pick the healthy one.
Made a mess.
Yeah, Mom cleaned it
Yeah, I
up.
was telling when after Kyle was born, he made a mess. The nurse took the diaper off and put his foot right in it. It was all over his foot. She's like, stop, stop. She's like covering one. Real big eyeball.
That's cool. Oh, he's got wrinkles on his forehead already.
Yeah, he does sometimes. Yeah.
Look it up.
Yeah.
They're cute.